People look at an electronic stock board of a securities firm in Tokyo, Monday, October 30, 2017. Asian stock markets were mixed Monday as investors waited to find out U.S. President Donald Trump's pick to head the Federal Reserve. Kojisa Sahara Associated Press, Beijing. Asian stock markets were mixed Monday as investors waited to find out who U.S. President Donald Trump will pick to head the Federal Reserve. Keeping score, Tokyo's Nikkei 225 index lost 0.1% to 21,995.15, and the Shanghai Composite Index shed 0.7% to 3,392.03. Hong Kong's Hang Seng was flat at 28,448.81. Australia's SPASX 200 rose 0.3% to 5,922.20. Seoul's Kospi advanced 0.3% to 2,502.59, and benchmarks in New Zealand, Taiwan and Jakarta also rose. Singapore declined. FedWatch investors expect Trump to announce his choice for Fed chair as early as Monday. News reports Friday suggested Trump most likely would not offer Janet Yellen a second term and was instead leaning toward Jay Powell, a Fed board member who until recently was the only Republican on the board. Analysts see Powell as a safe choice who would follow Yellen's monetary strategy. Analysts take President Trump should announce who the new Fed chair will be after keeping us on tenterhooks for the last few months. The market favorite is continuity candidate Jerome Powell, though with President Trump, you never know until the ink on the contract has dried, said Rob Carneloving in a report. This may make for an interesting awkward FOMC meeting on the 1st of November, though besides teeing the market up for a December rate hike, no one is expecting much from this. Wall Street U.S. stocks set new records on Friday as Microsoft and Alphabet soared following strong third-quarter reports, as did online retail giant Amazon. Intel made its biggest gains in 3 years, while Microsoft had its biggest jump in 2 years, and Alphabet, Google's parent company, made its largest move in more than a year after each company's results were better than Wall Street expected. The Standard & Poor's 500 index rose 0.8% to a record 2,581.07. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.1% to 23,434.19. The Nasdaq Composite made its biggest gain since November as it soared 2.2% to a record 6,701.26. Asia's weak. Investors are looking ahead to a week of potentially market-moving Asian data. China and other countries in the region are due to report its monthly manufacturing indexes, along with Korean trade, factory production and inflation. Tokyo will report its economic indicators for September, while the Bank of Japan is due to announce interest rate policy on Tuesday. Energy benchmark U.S. crude advanced 3 cents to $53.93 per barrel in electronic trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange. The contract soared $1.26 on Friday to close at $53.90. Brent crude, used to price international oils, lost 1 cent, $60.12 in London. It jumped $1.09 the previous session to $60.13. Currency: the dollar edged down to 113 yen and 61 sen from Friday's 113 yen and 68 sen. The euro was little changed at $1.1612. Copyright 2017 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, rewritten or redistributed.